6-quarter cherry for $2.67 per board foot, and 5-quarter walnut, good quality walnut, for only $7 per board foot. I'm going to tell you today where you can purchase this. Hey you guys, today I'm gonna show you where you can purchase really good quality wood for very affordable price. I was scrolling through the hardwoods of Tennessee this morning and I saw that the chunky cherry is back in stock. Now, before you leave here, let me tell you, when you go to their website, make sure that you read the description. The chunky one, the 6-quarter cherry, it is common grade, which means you will have tiny little hairline cracks and stuff. They also have some better quality cherry that is 5-quarter cherry, and that one is in sale as well for about $3 a board foot. And then their walnut, I saw they were on sale. When you go to look at the 5-quarter walnut, they have it from $7 to $9.50 per board foot, depending on the length of your boards that you're choosing. So I know last time when I told you guys they're about their big sale when they had the 6-quarter cherry, you guys bought so much, it was sold out in just a few hours. And then they actually didn't even take any more orders on their website for like 2 weeks because you guys screwed up their system. So they have limited stock. I already ordered some walnut this morning for myself. I still have plenty of cherry from last time. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see an unboxing of the walnut when I receive it. But for now, if you are in need of some good quality lumber, go purchase some because they have limited stock and I am very sure it will be gone in no time. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing and I'll see you in my next video.